In this video, I will show you how you can create secure folder on any Samsung tablet. Now before we start, just make sure that your tablet supports secure folder. And after you've done that, now just open settings. And under settings, just search this. Tap on secure folder. And from here, just open the secure folder settings. Now to create the secure folder, just tap on continue. Tap on more, then tap on next. Now just wait from a few seconds to a few minutes for your tablet to create the secure folder. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. Now just create a password for your secure folder. Then enter the password again to confirm your password. Select allow, then tap on next. Tap on next, then select done. And as you can see, this is how you can create the secure folder on your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.